Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Shiba Inu is moving inside a down channel. By the way, here you can see that we have another touch point here and the support is moving to the upside. Therefore, I have just adjusted this support here. And now this is the formation of a falling wedge pattern. The movement is changed from a down channel like previously I was following this support like this. And now you can see that we have another touch point here and now the movement is getting squeezed. Therefore, now this is the formation of a falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we also have the formation of a symmetrical triangle inside this falling wedge pattern, as we have also found another uptrend line support as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this very big down channel. And after that, the price then broke out this very massive falling wedge pattern. And during this rally, you can see that the price then broke out a very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.00001800 and goes to 2125. Previously, it had been working as a support zone here, resistance zone here, and now after the breakout, you can see that for the past several weeks, it is working as a very nice support. And at the same time, you can also observe that the price line is also testing this long-term support of EMA 21 that was previously working as a very massive and long-term resistance. And now after the breakout, you can see that it is flipped into a nice support. We have tested the support here, geared up, and tested the support here again and geared up. And recently, you can see that we have tested the support here and still moving very close to this long-term support of exponential moving average 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Shiba Inu that I shared on 12th of March 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Shiba Inu formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal and hit the sell target zone here, and this was almost 12% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Shiba Inu. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 4th of March 2024, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And now the movement is getting more squeezed because we have found another uptrend line support here that is coming from here, from 12th of April 2024. And you can see that this is the formation of another symmetrical triangle. The same resistance of the falling wedge pattern is also working as a resistance of this symmetrical triangle as well. And this is the uptrend line support for this symmetrical triangle. We had several touch points here. We had another bounce here, few more touch points here. And now for the past few days, the price line is trying to break out the resistance of this triangle. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. If the price line breaks down the support of the triangle, then target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.00001645, and that is also the target, almost the target for the breakdown from this falling wedge pattern as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 3417, and the target for the falling wedge pattern breakout is slightly higher than this target at the top of the wedge, approximately at 3730. But in my opinion, after breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern and this descending and this symmetrical triangle, there will be a very high probability that the price line may also try to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00004000. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.000040 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks, and now here we had a long spike beyond this resistance, but could not break out, and again got rejected by this resistance of $0.000040. And now we need to break out this resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. Here we have a very nice support of EMA 21 the exponential moving average 21 that has been previously working as a very strong resistance. And now after the breakout, you can see we broke it out here in the month of November, in the first week of November 2023. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. We tested this level as a support here and here. And now here again, we have already tested this support after this big drop, but still moving very close to this support of EMA 21. At the same time, we also have this very, very long-term support zone that starts from 2125 and goes to 1800. That has been previously breaking as a very nice support zone here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got rejections here. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support zone. And by the way, this falling wedge pattern is also considered as a bullish path pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support. Now, if we take a look at the targets for these breakouts, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. That was at 3625, and we have already hit that target. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, that target is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $0.00009 to $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.